fiti ani asese ni din and your friend saying mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no baby a me hwe bia ma change afro and maba too much GH shit na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Nyamisha mno nyamo kese Mrs. Bragis's daughter ana mene mo hia wo he onuado fo se wo hia me anadwobre ya won se me mentempe ti se me pia anadwobre ya me mo obi ankaye na metete obi aso obi ada na se me pie dia na se something to be going on penin bi mu no ho ti se wo mu no ho a me onyame kasa mafo me ne hunu se o mu no ho a me so me mu no ho because me mete wo no mo no medic ya ka me se me natural beauty ye natural de be beauty so for mami omega ne kan natural beauty na my natural beauty na me de akyerew me natural beauty enti no ene de me ntoma no tuntum no because of obi aka me enti nya de ametoma no de be tuntum no na me hu se papa no wo mu no ho enti me dane tracy buache ne de be Kennedy Japan wo mu no ho enti me dane tracy buache ene de be Kennedy Japan wo nya hunu bibia Owusu Bempah nya hunu bibia mu de mu ntie nwum na sesia Bright Jesus daughter me hit it rough Mrs. Kwame Bonnie, me hit it rough. Chibo Kodua number 2, me hit it rough. Sof mami omega o se de chebia ni munsem. Dachi hima babawa. Hey, sof mami dana from US abonten so. Sister Shania Ice ne kan was so wo no fo a men ka dem. Oluma Jamaica. Van Dam 1 Van Dam 2. Aswasi Van Dam Jamaica Van Dam. Fashion mame. Fancy brother wife. And obedi me ho agro. Owusu Bempah mi jaw message na nadwe na woyem behyew woyem ebehyew Owusu Bempah woyem behyew na ofri se meboa bebodua Owusu Bempah bebodua because woyem bosomfo woyem bayfo woyem konfo it don't take the Bible will take a long bebodua Owusu Bempah come and bebodua Owusu Bempah bebodua leave the Bible alone Owusu Bempah leave the Bible alone because my father talked to me. My father talked to me. My friend sister, Tribo could call me. Sister, I don't want you to come out again. Miss Mate. So for mommy omega kasacha me metie. Shine your eyes for telephone a friend me. I'm no hunti met me and straight dress. Menya straight dress a me ba she. I'm quite see a phone do what you need me as straight dress nibino. Metie, me papa Braji says, Ankasa Pemu. The father who talk, me kasa. Enemy papa nua bra prince have kasimo wakasa na the whole Facebook my din have kasimo wakasa na yes a biscuit akasa have kasa wakasa na mada me papa prince o say me piesie me mame or baby I am me mame because I respect my mother alone I respect my mother alone Chere me mama brofo ne me encourage me ese me baby a meduro na ese me duro ho so what mase it was say I respect my mother alone chere che nyame nkonko yi brofo ne firi manum na me nkomanim because my bofo mienu e wo hanom hwe Owusu Bempah enne medi watem bi a wonte sa atem didie ni bi da in your life nobody said that atem didie ni to you but me many who say won kwase afo bi wo abrabom magimifo bi wo abrabom them don't respect you and you no can say no ma ba be disrespect me nya disrespect you me ye intertrequent eti wo se wonmu ho a me mo hu se wo mu ho wo de mu ntie nwum yinsi na se mu tie nwum yinsi a mo bon se Black Jesus daughter me say ene me anu tuntum no kra manto me de mano ankasa na ye den aba me sis kwam boni me de mano aba ai me de manim dua aba wei camera no manimu dua no point isisi ho point isisi ho ba je se sof mami omega Tribo kodua number 2 wa kire me se wo ba mia bibi so na enfa buru bi meto wanim ene mamia bibi so na di buru aye den abeto manim se me de manim order de ne ba yanka mbo se point bi point bi ye den isisi manim enti me pese me kire Owusu Bempah se I'm not afraid of Owusu Bempah ene me ma oye ma show baby o de bi when some phone na what they Ghana na what do you say nobody will challenge you no ene wo ba me challenge you what boy damn na wo be smon kwase afo no medical so catch us say wo smon ponche ne mo ba out a na ebolu me What's one point in mobile out? I know Yamaka Sama for me, Buofu. Nobody will come and tell me. But Obia send your bremeno. Me and Casso Obia send your bremena. I will listen to them. Owusu Bempah, and you feared it. And then you feared it. Missy Baby would be Owusu Bempah, you feared it. And then you feared it. Owusu Bempah, you feared it. Oh, you feared it. You feared it. So person what table of focus here. You feared it. Ntu de gina ho. Me say gina ho no Owusu Bempah, you will hear from me. Yentie me nua Kenya me che when the finish you hear me. Nonsense. I did it enyomenembo. Me papa Braji says come and help me. Daddy come and help me because your boy didn't send. Owusu Bempah, you will come and tell me. You will come here to tell me. Will you penny then out the year no? What's in and now who didn't true? Owusu Bempah, will you penny and now who didn't true? What did mammy true mama for the wire fed up on the knowledge? Owusu Bempah, you come and compare yourself to me. And men than what the old 4 bar now person was our father to come. Owusu Bempah, your size is me. And what's more one craman, my catcher so one cramani pia one time home. One cramani pia one time home so. One cramani pia one time say you are ready, huh? Me wanna me feel 3-bedroom. I stay with my dear my house. Yes. Me feel ready, me say me I stay with my house. It is a ubano become nonsense about me. Owusu Bempah, I will apply you. Me say some kwasi afo Jimmy form more for and kna my mano. And punch him mano. And pet him mano. And kusie mano. And name mano. And kutrem mano. Yenyan srem mano. Papa Owusu Bempah. And pet him mano. Santo fie mano. I'm not ready for reply them. But I'm ready for you, Owusu Bempah. You, Owusu Bempah, I'm reply. I'm ready for you. Papa Owusu Bempah. Miss Penny, go and call your wife, your first wife, to come out. She and Pennyphobia Kasacha me when I finish your video. Them will call me and say, my daughter, please, I don't want you to come out. Make a brofo. Dachi hima baba wa Bright Jesus daughter. Triboko dio number 2. Or Luma Jamaica. I will say brofo. What won't you say? What you understand my English, you know? Just go away because I'm ready. Me kwam boni. Chiromase. Wo so kwa bontan ya brefie kwam boni. Wo kwa bontan ya brefie. Wo dwama mfododo. Ma fi mi kun kame Muhammad. Ensem huna kwa. Ye to aso ensem fu Owusu Bempah am kase ba twetero. Why do you so nkwa na spiritual? E wo Ghana. Hwe me honhom adwuma o. But me honhom adwuma no, I'm not fake. I'm not fake like your daughter dear bay. Agrada. I'm not fake like your daughter Kwasiaba Agrada. I'm not fake you. Owusu Bempah, you should not compare yourself to me. Owusu Bempah, you should not compare yourself to me. Owusu Bempah, mama can't send back on chiro. Today I'm telling you something. If you Schwarzenegger down for no de buy and then I would in the room. If you Schwarzenegger down for no de buy when I would in the room. Are you coming out to reply us? Are you coming out to and church us? Owusu Bempah, you should not compare yourself. Sir, and nobody should come and tell me something. No, Owusu Bempah, we stop. I won't stop. If you're ready to bring divorce because of Owusu Bempah, bring divorce. I'm ready to divorce because it's nonsense for that man. Who be can't match them me papa oduro. Say na me papa oduro I say. Me papa oduro I say. Me papa oduro I say. Me see if you Schwarzenegger down for no de buy na wudi ni tunu mo no. Wudi ni tunu mo no Owusu Bempah wudi ni tunu at that time. Ni tunu mo man say. Owusu Bempah woman is saying. Owusu Bempah wo ba America. Owusu Bempah wo ba America. Oba na wo ye ma wo fie dem mu. Wo ba na oba wo dem ho. Ya wo ma ni kunturu ho jiji ho kunturu ho. Owusu Bempah wo ma ni kunturu ho. Ya wo de fa ne to. E ko wura ne che. Owusu Bempah, did I ask you? Did I tell you to come out? Owusu Bempah, I'm telling you. Did I ask you to come out? To come and tell me. Now you come out to send your ponche and Ray and Kusie and Puro to come and sort me when you make a samafo. Owusu Bempah, did you see that woman you come and sorting? Are you mad? Owusu Bempah, are you foolish? Are you mad? Are you foolish? I'm telling you today. Besi wo mani bedu me yo to sagrada. Omu bedu Owusu Bempah. I will face you. I will face you. No one catch me say nobody should come out. So for me Omega, don't come out. If you come out, I will turn the fight to you. So for me Omega, I will turn out. And kwasi asem Jimmy for flow Owusu Bempah. Kwasi ampenno Owusu Bempah. Papa Jimmy for won't do nkwalafo. Papa wo bo pa ma ye den. Ye kwa this president obi. Papa wutimi bo pass wo. Wutimi sha that obi kwatena obi adem. Wo suma obi so won kwa try there ben. Me papa there ben. Eyi oduro na wo record no. Once wani mugu ase no oduro mpese obekasa. Papa oduro mpese obekasa. Sa na wo suma obi ne kwa asemagane. Wo suma obi ne kwa ya papa there ben. Enu wono so mpese obekasa. Hwe papa Owusu Bempah wo cap ayema. Ukuru ayema. It is a ukuru ayema. Don't bring yourself to Onyameka Samafo because if you bring yourself to me, Owusu Bempah, you will be tired. If you bring yourself to me, Kwamboni, Mrs. Kwamboni, Owusu Bempah, hey, Bridget's daughter, you will be fear.
Too much GH. Me did go say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me did the Isaiah Kojampo. We between family the great tampo. Bring. One man come on here. Too much GH. Too much GH. Too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.